Hey everyone! Are you thinking about switching to a healthier lifestyle? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 7 amazing tips to help you start the Mediterranean diet. This diet is all about delicious flavors and good health, and I can't wait to dive into these tips with you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this tasty journey together. Let's talk about one of the most important changes you can make when starting the Mediterranean diet: switching to whole grains. This means replacing those refined breads and pastas you're used to with healthier whole grain alternatives. Here's why and how you can make the switch. Healthier options. Choose whole wheat bread, whole wheat pasta, barley and farro instead of white bread and regular pasta. These whole grains are not only tastier, but pack a lot more nutrients and fiber. Benefits. Whole grains can help improve digestion, reduce the risk of heart disease, and keep you feeling full longer, which is great for weight management. Easy swaps. Start simple. Switch your morning toast to whole grain bread or your usual pasta to a whole grain variety. It's an easy swap that makes a big difference. Experiment. There are so many whole grains out there. Try quinoa in your salads, enjoy a hearty bowl of oatmeal for breakfast, or experiment with bulgur wheat for dinner. By making these switches, you're not just following a diet, you're embracing a healthier lifestyle that benefits your body in so many ways. Let's make those meals count with whole grains. Next up on our Mediterranean diet journey, let's talk about filling up on veggies. A key part of this diet is to make sure half your plate is piled with vegetables at every meal. Here's how you can add more variety to your veggie intake. Mix it up. Don't just stick to the usual carrots and peas. Try adding colorful bell peppers, zesty arugula, or sweet butternut squash to your dishes. Go for color. The more colors on your plate, the better. Each color represents different nutrients, so a colorful meal is not just visually appealing, but also packed with vitamins. Raw and cooked. Enjoy vegetables both raw and cooked. Raw veggies are great in salads or as snacks with hummus, while roasting or grilling can bring out new flavors and textures in your meals. Seasonal selections. Choose vegetables that are in season. They're not only fresher and tastier, but also more affordable. Herb your enthusiasm. Don't forget to season. Adding fresh herbs like basil, thyme, or cilantro can make any vegetable taste amazing. By embracing a variety of vegetables, you're not just sticking to the Mediterranean diet, you're also turning every meal into a vibrant, health-packed experience. Let's dive into the heart-healthy world of fats, a staple of the Mediterranean diet. It's all about choosing the right kinds of fats to keep your body energized and your heart in great shape. Here's how you can incorporate healthy fats into your daily meals. Olive oil. Over everything, swap out butter and other oils for olive oil, which is perfect for cooking, dressing salads, or as a dip for bread. Avocados are awesome. Slice some avocado on your toast, toss it in salads, or just enjoy it plain with a sprinkle of salt and lemon. They're not just delicious, they're also packed with beneficial fats. Nuts for nuts. Snack on a handful of almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, or sprinkle them over dishes for a crunchy texture. Nuts are great sources of fats that are good for your heart. Seeds as sidekicks. Add flax seeds, chia seeds, or sesame seeds to your yogurt. Smoothies or salads for a healthy fat boost and extra crunch. Fishy fats. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines in your meals a couple of times a week. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for brain and heart health. Incorporating these healthy fats into your diet can help enhance flavor while also providing long-term health benefits. The next tip is all about incorporating more seafood into your diet. Here's why and how you can enjoy fish while following this healthy eating plan. Why eat seafood? Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain health. Aim to include these types of fish in your meals at least twice a week. It's a tasty way to get important nutrients that support overall health. Cooking tips. Grilling or baking fish with a drizzle of olive oil and some herbs is a delicious approach. You can also try adding them to salads or whole grain dishes for a fulfilling meal. Variety matters. Don't just stick to one type of fish. Explore different kinds to enjoy various flavors and benefits. By making seafood a regular part of your diet, you're not only following the Mediterranean way, but also giving your body some fantastic health benefits. So let's get fishy and make those omega-3s count. Another key aspect of the Mediterranean diet: moderate meat consumption. Here's why it's important and how you can manage your red meat intake while exploring this wonderful diet. Why limit red meat? Red meat is okay occasionally, but it's higher in saturated fats, which aren't great in large amounts. Limiting it helps maintain a heart-healthy diet. How often? Try to keep red meat on the menu just a few times a month. It's all about moderation to reap the most health benefits. Choosing the right cuts. When you do eat red meat, go for lean cuts. These have less fat and are a healthier choice. Alternatives to try. Instead of red meat, fill up on poultry, fish, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. They are all staple proteins in the Mediterranean diet and great alternatives. By keeping red meat to a minimum and focusing on healthier protein sources, you'll align more closely with the Mediterranean way of eating. It's all about balancing the plate with more of what's good for you. The next Mediterranean diet tip is all about legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These are not just tasty, they're also packed with fiber and protein. Here's how you can make them a regular part of your diet. What are legumes? Legumes include all kinds of beans, lentils, and chickpeas. They're affordable, versatile, and widely available. Health benefits. Eating legumes is a great way to increase your intake of fiber and protein without adding a lot of fat or calories. They help you feel full and satisfied. Easy to incorporate. Add them to salads, soups, or stews, or make them a base for dishes like hummus or bean dips. Regular meals. Try to include legumes in your meals at least a few times a week. They can be a main dish or a hearty side. By integrating legumes into your diet, you're not just adding variety, you're also boosting your nutritional intake, which is a big part of following the Mediterranean diet effectively. Let's keep those plates colorful and healthy. Last but not least, there is the final Mediterranean diet tip for today: increasing your fruit intake. Fruits are essential for adding natural sweetness and key nutrients to your diet. Here's how you can enjoy more fruits Mediterranean style. Variety is key. Try to eat a wide range of fruits each day. Berries and citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, are particularly central to the Mediterranean diet. Health benefits. Fruits are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect your body from diseases. How to include more. Add fruit to your breakfast cereal or yogurt. Enjoy fresh fruit salads or use fruit as a natural dessert after meals. Snack on fruits. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, grab a piece of fruit. It's a healthy way to satisfy your hunger between meals. By incorporating more fruits into your daily meals, you're not just enhancing the flavors of your dishes, you're also boosting your health with every bite. Thanks for watching! I hope these 7 tips help you get started on the Mediterranean diet, from switching to whole grains and enjoying a variety of veggies, to focusing on healthy fats and limiting red meat. Don't forget to try adding more legumes and fruits to your diet, and remember to enjoy seafood twice a week for those important omega-3s. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy eating tips. See you in the next video.